Okay.
And then your orbital strike missed. It hit the top of the rock.
Whose?
Whoever's orbital strike that was, it hit the top of the rock above it.
Oh, damn.
It wasn't me. I'm calling down a resupply. Oh, we can't.
Yeah, I just call one. I don't know where it is.
Oh.
Oh, Google. Oh my god.
Fucking drone's trying to fucking kill me.
He's helping.
Helping's a strong word.
He's helping.
He just tried to do it again.
Alright, I'm heading towards ICBM.
Yeah, helping me into a quick grave.
This random is gonna put me in a grave with this laser.
Oh, that's probably my laser too.
No, it's not. It's